You already defenses Careful lang. I need someone to stop the... Yo, careful, ready defenses. Guard dun sa... Yeah, they're gonna look soon OC. Yeah, ready defenses on me, ready defenses on me. Defenses. Oh, you bonk, everyone bonk. You find the brimstone. Bonk. Naka-royal jacket sila. They have royal jacket. They have engage soon.
Anong armor ng kill sa brimstone?
Careful. They have engage soon, okay?
The Brim is another zone, I think.
Yeah, it's the same zerg. Yo, ready defense. Yo, spread. Ready defense on the choke. Yo, pull it outside first. Everything southeast on the gate. 5 on the guards. 4, 3, 2, 1. Then everybody pull back southeast agad. Pull back southeast first. Yo, careful def tanks. Pull back southeast. Yo, ready defend. Spread. Okay, they miss. Ay, they didn't miss. Why you guys still inside? Yo, walk in.
They don't have Brim.
Walk in.
That one is fine up.
Walk in inside. Heal up inside. Yo, walk in. Spread, boys. Spread. Ready defenses. Defend now. Pick. Yo, everyone northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone northeast now. Yo, Poppy Pots here. Full defend. Okay, Poppy Pots. Full defend now. Okay, now spread only. Yo, don't go outside. Just spread only. Okay? Yo, kill this in. Kill the guards. Okay? Yo, look at this northeast shallow. On top of me only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on top of me only. Okay, spread lang. Spread southwest side.
Pahil naman, boy.
They're gonna look soon.
Looking,
Defenses. Yo, careful. They still have engaged. Careful, spread more. Ay, you look at northwest of the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest on the gate now. Ay, you come back and spread. Yo, they're gonna have engage soon. Spread. Brawl the def tanks inside. Yo, careful mo. Hodge yung mga nasa east side.
Fake naman ako.
Ready defenses up front. Just brawl. Defend now. Heal up.
Ay, ako sa...
Give me fix. Yo, give me fix.
Okay na ako.
Give me fix on the gate. Yo, everyone inside only. On top of me only. On the crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the crown only. Okay, nice. Now spread agad.
They looking.
They're looking. Spread, boys. Spread, okay? They're gonna look. Careful. Ready defenses. They're gonna look deep. Careful. Spread. Defend deep. Tangina, kite pa. You hold. Yo, walk up now. Yo, find the crown. On top of me only. Get ready. Again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me only.
Alright. DPS.
Heal up. Come back southeast. Outside. Yo, cleanse. Locus on the choke. Locus on the choke. Heal up. Locus on the choke. Heal up. Locus on the choke. Okay? Yo, we're gonna turn on the choke. Get ready. West side on the choke.
Talaga yan mo.
Everyone just out. Yo, boys, like I told you, they're walking up to you. Where else are you gonna run? Why you still wanna run back? No matter how far you run back, I promise you, their fucking clump tank's gonna reach if they're just walking up. Literally, you can just stay inside their Zerg and survive. Even as a healer, okay? Even as a healer, you can survive. Pero, oh God, I promise.
Is there
Jesus
no...
Christ,
We
no.
have 6 healers. It's like... There's no reset after engage. What? Are you wasting your resets on nothing?